出国那个 Schlemm 中有农山戏嘛。
I think today is the first day of the year, I should say, where we started working. And from the government side, we have decided that pending issues, including developmental programs, which is supposed to happen, we are committed during this new year that we will make it happen. We will make sure that it happens, and we wanted to also to meet the aspiration of the residents and then the people of the state of Meghalaya. So we are committed from the government side, and we are here to serve better for the bright future of the state. See, the issues, pending issues means menta como api, kidon ki resolution ki bingilaya de pas apoka assembly, kawai kadeka ILP, kawai kadeka language, gagaru and kasi languages, nilong committed bangin pursue but ka central government hagabede batani nakamta ka aspiration jongi pajba jongi jela nata kidon shu ki issue hagabede but ka issue jong ka them motor hagabede nakamta kumno bangin beautify ya katika jaga kaba niyo I kum bakalong da kalalong kum kaslom area tinakada mo pikini kidig issues ke barman but unfortunately kingdom clear the problem hagabede but kinika boundary issue, interstate boundary issue with Assam, but now Assam is going to have their general election anytime during this year, so I don't think we'll be able to do anything, but hopefully once the general election of Assam state is over, again this pending issue will be taken up by the MDA government under the leadership of Shri Conrad Sangma. Already replied, I've already detailed everything. So let me just repeat again. You need to understand one thing. These issues were there, I think, for not less than 4-5 decades. I think people need to understand one thing, that we need a permanent solution to this, not a temporary solution. We want a permanent solution. That's why the government that time in 2018 has constituted high-level committee under my chairmanship. See, this issue is very much alive. We are working out, we don't sleep, and we are not idle at all. Because as I said to you, there are so many issues where we need to sort it out and to resolve the issues. And one of the issues is, as I said to you, the ownership of that plot. So therefore, I would request all the citizens of the state, be it NGOs, be it the Sinjuk Kinosan Shashnong, or be it the permanent residents of Meghalaya, bear with us, because now we are working it out, and I am sure very soon we'll be able to submit the report as mandated by the notification issued for the high-level committee. See, right now, that's what I'm telling you. This is the first day of the working day of the new year. So I think you are asking this question. You give us time. Let CM join back to his normal duties. Once CM is back, then we will sit down, we will work it out, and then ultimately we will again rush to Delhi to pursue the pending issues with this agreement at the earliest possible. I can't just say all the details, but a high-level committee will sit down at the earliest possible.
Before the next financial year?
Well, it may happen very soon. It depends, as I said to you, on the document where the draft document is being prepared. And you need to understand one thing, because this agreement needs to be signed by three parties. One is aim of Malay, number two is Khasil's Autonomous Council, and number three is the state government. So we need to carry along with all these, institution. Once this is done, then high-level committee will sit down, and then we will submit the final report to the government. Well, I think about the if you talk about the achievement or the pending issues, I don't think I'll be able to tell you right now. Maybe I will prepare the detailed report to be late in the budget session in the sometimes during the month of March. Then you will be able to know all it. Yeah, if specifically you're asking like this question, yeah, like JICA project, Shillong Dawki Road, I'm telling you, I'm happy to inform that land compensation has been cleared not less than 60%. The land compensation has been cleared for not less than 60%, and the Deputy Commissioner East Khasil as well as the Deputy Commissioner of Juai, West Jaintia Hills, they are on the job, and I'm sure maybe by the end of this month we will be able to clear the compensation reimbursement to those concerned landowners up to 75 or 80%. See the bridge till now, the BRO is on the job, and then yesterday or the first day or Additional Chief Secretary Mr. Dipi Walang in charge of POD along with his team, they visited this place, and the concreting starts. I think maybe by 13 or 14 of this month, they will lay that steel. They will lay that steel, and I am sure before the end of this month, say up to 31st of January, we'll be able to utilize that bridge for the months to come. By 31st of January, I am sure we will be able to make that bridge operational.